Google Gemini can create perfect sketchnotes from text. Let's see how to create these sketchnotes. Welcome to the research world. First of all, open the Google Gemini. Select the thinking mode. Paste your first prompt here. Prompts are available in description section. Click Submit. First prompt will clearly define and explain your topic, for example, photosynthesis in my case. Now give the second prompt. This is our second prompt for creating the sketch notes from the text. Before submitting it, click Tools and select the Create Images mode and now Submit. This prompt will create the sketch notes from the provided text. You can download this for free.